Hey guys, this is Varun and welcome back to my channel. So I have seen a lot of questions being asked on public forums and some data science channels, and some of my subscribers reaching out to me in person asking me questions such as how do we transition into this field faster? Are there any tricks and techniques? And I thought to make a quick video on it. So we are here to talk about different techniques you can adopt so that to pace yourselves while entering into this field. As you guys must be aware of this already, that data science is in boom and everybody wants to get into this field really fast, and majority of us wants this due to either of the two reasons. First being, either we feel that it is really interesting to work in it and we can build really intelligent things out of it which can be used for betterment of our society, and second is because we are simply lured away by the compensation which this profession draws. So now I'll be sharing with you some of the tricks and techniques that will help you to reach your goal much faster. So this is the learning path for that. Now if you're new to a programming language, learn that first, up to an extent that you are able to solve any logical problem given at hand. So you can use these platforms which are listed on the screen, which is GitHub, Stack Overflow, Geeks for Geeks, and you can even participate on hackathons. Then find a simple algorithm and start with it. Learn its fundamental and how it operates. So you can either choose classification or regression as an algorithm. So the simple ones are linear regression and logistic regression. Then the third step is learn the concepts of mathematics and statistics associated to that algorithm and used in that algorithm. And then the fourth step is take the GitHub code which solves a use case using this algorithm and then understand it and interpret its results. And then the fifth step is search in Kaggle and select a dataset which could fit into this algorithm. Then the sixth step says here that you need to build a use case around that dataset, which could be either simple regression or a classification problem, and then determine a goal out of it. Now the seventh step here is that you have to get your hands dirty and write the code to accomplish the goals which you have decided. And then finally you need to interpret the results using the statistical methods and then present your result. Now you need to repeat these steps again and again, starting from the step 2 till the very last, for each of the new algorithm that you pick and choose to learn. Now if you follow this learning path, I can assure you that you will be way ahead in the competition. But this also comes with the fact that you are thorough with some basic understanding of maths and statistics, and you have been following the traditional learning side by side. So now that we are done with the learning path, I just wanted to share my personal experience and journey also with you guys, and the story of many such people like me and how we started with data science. So initially, we all have this confusion on whether to pursue this as a career or not, because it takes a lot of time and energy, especially if you are coming from a different background. And the time I have started especially, there were not many courses in the market, and the ones which were, they were really high priced. So I would not say that those will not help, because I myself have taken a degree and had to go through comprehensive study material and also some videos, case study, assignments and exams. So that was a great learning experience for me. But scenario now is different from the time I started, as we have a lot of online material and that is also for free. Also we now know the structure and what to learn, so we can follow the sequence of steps and the chapters. So for that you can refer to my channel or any other YouTube channel for that matter, which can better guide you on the same. But added advantage in my channel is that you get to learn in a streamlined manner. Now for everyone the intention might be different. Majorly if we talk about Indian mentality, somewhere we still follow a strict degree preference and not just knowledge, as we wish to certify ourselves with the stamp of completion and acknowledgement, which I wouldn't say is wrong, because everyone has their own preferences. But sometimes it is a completely different story, as you might be aiming for a company or a job role that demands this certification or the degree for it in this field. In that case, you have no other choice but to get that. The summary is that the ambit of data science is huge, and if you are going for a course, it will be just like a drop in the ocean and you won't be able to learn each and everything. And that is the reason you need to explore some things by your own. Degree can be a starting point in your career transformation, but it can't be your destination. So keeping this in mind, it is always better to go with the mentality of exploring new things and new techniques coming in data science from day one itself. and study things from ground zero by your own and not just rely on the courses. So if we follow this, I can promise you that you can learn anything way much better and faster, as your brain will function like that, and your brain will find out some patterns on learning new things, and this habit will help you a lot in this field because it is ever growing and vast. So on that note guys, thanks for watching. I hope this session gives you a clarity on the paths, and you can now choose wisely what suits you best. If you like my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any future updates. Please stay safe at your home and take care of your loved ones. I will meet you soon in the next session. Until then, take care and thank you.